Welcome back to the video, you guys. It's your boy Tony. Thank you guys for joining me today on this beautiful day. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. It's beautiful here in California and it's such a perfect day to take apart a car, so let's jump into it. So painting is one of those things I'm terrible at, but today I'm gonna attempt to do some painting. I got, well, obviously the hood's over there, that took it off already, but in this bottom panel I didn't put it back on last time when I did my exhaust, because I told you guys I was gonna need it for something. I'm gonna paint that, but I got a bunch of gaskets in here to like change this, and I'm not using the carburetor warmer no more, so I got a different intake piping, and I'm gonna take this off and clean it, and meanwhile take this off and paint it, and just try to make this engine bay look a lot better, just with paint, nothing too crazy. I got the gasket for this where it seems to be leaking a lot from, so I'm gonna try. I need to clean this up badly. Like, all this stuff needs to get cleaned up, so I'm gonna try to clean most of this up, make it look nice, get rid of this piping that I don't need, and we'll go from there pretty much. But I have to take off the generator, the carburetor, like a bunch of stuff has to come off, and we're ready to learn today. Alright, first things first, we gotta purple power the hell out of everything, so just spray it down. I'm just trying to make all of this clean, so we're just gonna spray all of this down. I'm gonna try to make this car look decent at least, because I do want to run without the hood a couple of days, you know, sometimes just be that guy, you know, with no hood. Let me show you guys what I got so far. So I marked off like where my 1 piston is, 4, 3, the firing order, so I can disconnect all the plugs and stuff, have them out. I already took off the coil pack, it's right there, the hood stands right there, the air filter right there. I'm about to take off the carburetor. This thing really isn't that bad to work on, like you know, like the area you got to work with, the bolts all the way back there, like for the carburetor. Let's see if I can show you. I cannot show you guys, but like it's not that hard to, like, you know, work on these cars. All right, my pops is the one that helped me out. So basically there's a bolt right here on the throttle cable that goes in there like that. It's right there, the small one, and that's what hold the throttle cable in place. But after that, I disconnected the sensor right here for the starter, and then we just pretty much pull it out, and that's the carburetor for you guys. It's a carb right there, not in the flesh. Let me get something to put this. There, we can put it right here. There's a carburetor for you guys. I like learning about this stuff. Don't think that I know what I'm doing. I don't. My pops is over there working on the red truck, but he comes over here every once in a while to help me out because I get stuck. ¿Y qué se puede pintar este cilindro, verdad? ¿Esto?
Todo, sí, lo limpias. Y la polea la puedes pintar negra, le pones un tape aquí por
Yeah.
Estas las puedes comprar, valen baratas, yo las compré cromadas.
¿El generador?
Sí.
Nah, homie, están como a $200.
No, esto.
¿O el pulley?
Ajá. Ah. Yo lo ordené, nomás que lo tienes ahí en la caja.
Oh my god. that's what a V-dub looks like. Take this off. The other side. And the middle part comes out. Oh, forgot about this. Take that off. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I pretty much took the whole thing apart. Huh. I'll help with my dad. But anyways, now that I'm looking at these, I might take this one off, depending on how I take it off to paint this one. But you don't really see that one, but I'm debating on it right now. See what I'm saying? Like, these don't even have holes right here, so these are useless. I don't have the heater anymore. But those are just some straight holes into my valves, man. Jeez. Alright, well, everything's taken apart. I think I'm gonna take off this, like the bracket for the alternator, because I got this gasket for it, and I think I'm gonna just take that off now that I have the chance to. Should be too hard, just 4 bolts, and that thing should just come off. But everything's pretty much off. I'm gonna wire wheel these 3 things and then paint that one, like on the rusted part. Paint these, this, And I think that's it. And then the other bracket that I have over there where my boys cut it on my pops, I don't know how far I want to go into it, whether or not I want to paint these brackets or not. All right, so I took it off. It literally had no gaskets whatsoever. It just literally had like that thing right there. I'm gonna take this thing off, like off the stand with these 4 bolts, start degreasing this, degreasing that, and start degreasing a bunch of other crap over there, and we'll get to cleaning pretty much. It's been a few hours. I've cleaned up a lot, and I've also not cleaned up a lot. I've been making a mess. That one I haven't even started. This one over here is kind of done. I hate painting. I really don't like it. This one's ready for paint. I was just letting it dry, but it's starting to like. I mean, there's still sunlight, but there's not really not. Painting's one of those things I really don't like, but I force myself to do it just to get better at it somewhat, I guess. But I don't like doing it. But I'm just gonna throw some paint on this one just so it can like look decent and whatnot, so I don't get rusted out. So I'm gonna clean this with alcohol like I do with most of my parts. Put it up probably on the table. Oh, you guys can't see that, but anyways, put it up on the table, spray paint it. Probably just do 1 coat today and then the rest of the coats tomorrow when I get everything else. But I'm gonna hopefully get this done. I have a really cool idea for this one, and I hope you guys are excited because I am too. This one I'm gonna use some engine enamel. About to buzz down. Let's get it. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little update what I've been doing for like the past hour. So I'm 3 coats in deep on this one, so it's pretty much done. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. You're not really gonna see this one, but I'm just upset that it looks so good under there, but it looks somewhat alright from the top. But anyways, I'm done with that one, and I believe I finished sanding down this one to where I'm happy. Like all the surfaces seem like nice and smooth, so I think I'm cool with this one. But I'm trying to let it like hit the sun real quick, see if it dries, see if I can throw like at least some primer on there. All right, quick major update. I thought I lost my GoPro yesterday, so I did paint a part that I'm gonna show you guys later. I thought I lost my GoPro, but it turned out to be in my friend's car. But this is day like number 3, I think, or something like that. Like getting these parts ready for paint is kind of a pain because they're so old and so rusted. But I got this one ready. I got my generator ready too. I'm gonna paint it exactly like my dad. This is exactly where I got the idea from. For those of you that don't know, it's not the warmest day. It's all right temperature, but spray can needs to be warm, so I have it in some hot water, and just so it can get warm. And this is kind of what I do so it doesn't come out all weird, you know, like the texture. This is what I use, so now it's nice and warm. So let's get it. This is the kind of paint I use. Yeah, this is like a GM color. Like this is the color that closest matches my bug, so this is the kind of paint I use. I get it at AutoZone. It's like 10 bucks. GM colors. I don't know what color this is, but whatever blue this is. Got another one over there too, but I'm gonna kill this one, use that one, and see where we're at from there. So I'm out here. I prepped these. These cover, I guess I would say, the cylinder walls, and I don't have a lot of faith in these because these are really bad, and someone welded a shitty plate on there, so these are very bad condition. So I'm honestly just gonna try to make them better from where you can see them, which was mainly this part, and to be specific where these bolt holes are at. So I'm gonna try to make it decent. I tried it 2 different ways. I tried to sand that one that way, and this one pretty much sanded all the way down, and I want to see the difference in how it comes out. I painted these little things too. Figured might as well, you know. Small little details matter, I guess. Didn't take me that long to prep and repaint them, so I think they'll come out nice. They came out pretty good. Something else I've been meaning to buzz down on is cleaning up this engine bay, because we got all the grime and dirt in there, and I can't have that once I get all my new parts in that are nice and shiny. So that doesn't make any sense. So I already bagged up most of the important stuff. So now we're just gonna go in there and with a pressure washer, same thing like we did in my Z. Hopefully it cleans it up. That's when we take off the crank pulley to get to this bracket, but if I can clean it up while it's on the car, even better. That actually helped out a lot better than I thought. This shit was black, and that actually cleaned up quite nice. Obviously all of these parts are a lot more rusted than I ever thought now that they're exposed from grease. But some of this grease and dirt and grime buildup is obviously older than I am, because this is a 72 car. But I think we just go at it with a little bit more product, and it should clean up fairly nicely, fairly decent, just so at least I can get most of it to like this gray color, then it'll look nice. After our third and final wash, it's looking pretty good. It's looking like a block. I don't mind that it's this color. I just wanted it to be something else besides, you know, like nasty black, I guess. I need to figure out how to take this crank off, because I need to get to this bottom pan. I need to get access to it, but I need to remove the crank, so I need to figure that out. This is my alternator, I guess, if you want to call it, but it's really a generator in these older cars. Chrome paint did not come out that bad in this. It looks pretty popping, not gonna lie. Something else we painted in the engine bay that I didn't want to take out is this, I guess you would call it a fuel pump. Well, it is a fuel pump. I painted this one, didn't come out half bad, because this one, after I degreased the engine bay, this one came out so terrible. So I decided to throw some paint on there. And let me know what you guys think about the bug. What do you guys like? We have a lot of mods on the way. We've done a lot of mods already, so let me know what you guys think in the comments below. You guys liking how she's turning out? What else do you guys want to see done to this bug? I got something in the works right now, in the sense of shoes, if you guys get what I'm saying. Hint hint. So at this point, we pretty much painted everything on the car that needs to be painted as of right now, before all my parts get here. So let me go ahead and show you what we actually did. I'm gonna start with these, just because these are just one solid color. They come out pretty good. I can't complain. Small things even come out amazing. This blue paint, super popping. I can't really get it on camera. There you go, see? Super popping. This thing glows like crazy. Thing is amazing. I originally was gonna paint these black because they're kind of like the bottom part of the car, but I decided I didn't want to not cheap out, but I didn't want to make it just look basic and just black, because it was not gonna go good with the chrome and the other paint I have in there. But let me show you guys my centerpiece. I kind of left you guys hanging on the centerpiece, so I'm not gonna blue ball you guys anymore. Get it? But anyways, let's just go straight to the centerpiece. You see that? The centerpiece, my boy. I'm gonna have blue splatter paint all over it. Freaking amazing. It came out gorgeous. This is gonna be like the main attention. This is gonna go right there, and I think it's right there, and it's gonna complement it so great. I'm super excited for this. All my other parts should be coming in soon, but this is what we got right now, guys, and it's coming out pretty good. I'm really happy with the results. If you guys like the way the parts came out, make sure to leave a fat thumbs up in the video. These came out fire, man. So all the small brackets, all the paint came out amazing. For a rattle can, this thing came out saucing, bro. Saucing. I don't think I've ever painted something this good, man. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this might be my best work. No lie. No lie. That blue just hit different, bro. With that white against the background, okay. It's basically gonna look like this. This is gonna be a centerpiece in the back, and that's all you're gonna see. Looks amazing. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. What do you guys think of this? Saucing or not saucing? Is this just enough blue or too much blue? What do you guys think about that? Because I was actually thinking about that a lot, because the car is actually blue. So is this too much blue? This is the same color as the car. Is this too much blue, or is this just the right amount of blue? Obviously some of these parts you're gonna see more than others, so right now I'm exposing as much blue as I can to show you guys for reference, but not all of these are gonna be seen, and there's gonna be a lot of other chrome parts that are gonna be taking place. So what do you guys think about that? But that's where I'm gonna wrap up today's video, guys. I appreciate you so much for sticking with me. I know it was video was kind of all over the place and crazy, because some days I would vlog, some days I wouldn't, because the weather was really shitty sometimes and it started raining, so I couldn't paint. But nonetheless, I got it done. This bug's gonna go crazy hard. I hope you guys just make sure to subscribe so you guys never miss out on another video. I appreciate you guys so much for you guys' support. I hope you guys have an amazing, blessed, wonderful day, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.